My name is Stuart Davis. I'm a lecturer at Coleg y Ystrad Mynach campus. I'm a lecturer first and foremost. Most of my time is spent in the kitchen and in the classroom. Also, one of my roles is running this wonderful restaurant here called Scholars.
Hi, welcome to Scholars Restaurant. Hi, welcome.
£2 million was invested in our new refurbishment of E-Bloc, which has enhanced the equipment and the availability of training to be delivered to our students. As you can see probably from earlier on in this film, our kitchen has been totally refurbished, state-of-the-art equipment, and we're probably one of the most advanced kitchens in the whole of Wales.
Hi, my name is Tracy Evans. I'm the head of school for catering at Coleg y Ystrad. We've been very lucky recently to have this fantastic facility. The impact this is having on the learners is absolutely tremendous. The learners are having the opportunity with state-of-the-art equipment and to work in a kitchen and a work-in restaurant, because we are one of the only colleges that actually do run a fully functional restaurant where the learners actually do every part of that service. Having these new facilities ensures the learners have the skills to progress into any element of the catering industry. These learners are ready for the progression into any stage, really, and we're really proud of that. The standards that we've had, and recently some of the nominations for awards and things, has raised our profile within the industry. Hope you visit us soon at Scholars.